tiger king. Oh, shoot.
Go ahead and ask me the questions. Let's do a question and answer. Let's make it different. Oh. So what do you want? So you just want me to say, hey, I'm Joe. I work for Dalinghaus Construction. Is this recording?
Yeah.
Because I want to use this.
We will.
Can we use that as a blooper? Because people might like it more.
B-roll. Mm-hmm. B-rolls are good.
As B-roll. My name's Joe. I work for Dalinghaus Construction. It's a mediocre foundation repair company. Oh, sorry, I can't move. Is the camera tilted? Or is that my eyes? It looks like it's tilting this way.
Tilt your head, Joe. You got to glare.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
But yeah, okay, so this video, we want to put it on your bio on the website.
Okay.
That's the concept of it.
All right. Hi. Are you done making noise?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Oh, that was it?
Well, I'm sure.
What kind of closer?
No, like you look forward to meeting them
Huh?
and inspecting their house. Or
I
you
really
almost- Oh, that's the best.
Okay. What did everybody else say? I don't want to be different. Or I guess it doesn't matter. They're only going to see my video, huh?
Right.
Awkward.